In today's video, we will be making my favorite cocktail of all time, the Manhattan. We'll talk about its history, we'll make the drink, and stay tuned to the very end. We'll show you some fun variations on this delicious cocktail. Hi everyone, I'm Chris from A Bar Above. I'm a 15-year veteran of the bar and somebody that loves making fun and creative cocktails. So we're going to make the Manhattan here in a second, but before we do, let's talk a little bit about its history. So very similar to many of the cocktails we've made up to this point, the one true origin story is a little bit elusive, but the most popular story is that it was created in New York by a banquet bartender for Winston Churchill's mother. Now, there is a little bit of controversy around this story because many people believe that she was actually in Europe pregnant at the time, but I am no historian. We will let you decide that for yourself. Now, the one story that we know is definitely not true is that this cocktail recipe is based off of the area code of Manhattan, which is 212. It is a handy way to remember the recipe, but it is definitely false. So the cocktail recipe was created in 1860. Area codes were implemented around 1950, so that's how we know it's false. Now, the one story that has gained the most traction is that it was created at a bar near Broadway on Houston Street around the 1860s. And this is the story that is the most credible up to this point. But now, let's go ahead and use that area code to make Manhattan. So to make the Manhattan, we're going to go ahead and build everything inside of this mixing glass. And we're going to use the area code as our recipe. So the area code is 212. So it's going to be 2 ounces of whiskey, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and 2 dashes of bitters. And we're just going to stir this for about 20 seconds until it gets nice and diluted. And finally, we're just going to go ahead and garnish with a maraschino cherry. There you are, the Manhattan. Now let's talk about variations on the Manhattan, and there are a lot of them. Some of the easy ones that come to mind are the Rob Roy, the Perfect Manhattan. The Martinez could be considered a variation, but most likely it's the other way around. And even the Vieux Carré can be considered a really complicated twist on the Manhattan. Now, the one cocktail that I've been drinking a lot recently and I highly recommend is the Green Point, and that uses rye whiskey, yellow chartreuse, sweet vermouth, Angostura bitters, and orange bitters as well. And like I mentioned, highly recommend that one. So this is my favorite cocktail of all time, and I would love to hear your favorite twist on this classic cocktail in the comments below, and I'm looking forward to trying all of them. We know you've watched videos like this in the past, so you know exactly what we're gonna ask. Hit the like, subscribe, and the bell icon, and you will get notified every time we release cocktail videos similar to this one. Until then, I hope you guys are enjoying your favorite version of the Manhattan. Cheers.